What's up, y'all? Welcome to another episode of Let's Fix It. This your boy JP, and we have a Honda CR-V, and the client said that his radio is actually too loud. Now, some of y'all may be thinking just because it's too loud isn't necessarily a bad thing, but when your radio goes up to 50 and it sounds like 50 at volume 10, then we have an issue. You could easily distort your speakers, which can damage your equipment. Now, I was looking at all the regular spots to see if there was any indication of a factory amp, like a badge or a factory sub, and just because it had tweeters doesn't necessarily mean that it has an amp in it. So I wanted to check the install, and for sure he hooked everything up like you would a non-amplified vehicle. So I did a little digging, and I went to find that the factory amplifier was behind the shifter, and that thing in the front is actually a Bluetooth module. And when I seen those black heat sinks behind that, I knew that that was the factory amp. This could be an issue because in this vehicle with the factory amp, you have low level signals going from the radio to the amp, and then high level going from the amp to all the speakers inside the car, which is why this thing is extremely loud. Now, I usually keep a drawer full of these RCA ends, so we're just going to solder a few of them together. That way we can get that low level signal to the back of the radio. And then while you're doing that, you want to make sure that you put them in the right location, because your fade and balance will be off if you don't. Now, when we turn the radio up, 32 sounds like 32 and 10 sounds like 10. So this is your boy JP signing out, telling y'all to keep going and keep growing, and have a blessed day. Peace.